Yo, what's going on, guys? Everything's Zach back again with another YouTube video. Today we are going to be going over the crypto market. Just a little disclaimer before we get started. I'm no financial advisor, I'm no expert, and honestly I actually don't know much about crypto. I'm mostly focused on the stock market. I'm solely basing this video off technical analysis, but again, no financial advisor here. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I've never done a video on crypto actually before, only the stock market. So I guess we can dive right in though. So basically I just want to talk a little about crypto and kind of where I think it's good. My predictions, my prediction for 2022 on the crypto market. So for crypto, as you guys all know, Bitcoin has had a tremendous year, and that's nothing to be ignoring. Bitcoin, this is the daily chart, had a tremendous year. It is actually up just about 60% year to day, and that's just really tremendous. So Bitcoin has done amazing this year, so there's no reason to be ignoring that. And what I want to talk about right now for crypto, this is short term, mid term, but it's technical analysis, and it's kind of what I see on this chart in my prediction going into 2022, and also just a technical analysis charting of Bitcoin right now, where it is. And I actually made a little blog post on this as one of my ideas. I don't know if it pops up here. No, it does. And I'm going to talk about this. I see, oh, you can't see it, but I see a head and shoulders on Bitcoin. If you guys don't know what a head and shoulders is, it's exactly what it sounds like. It looks like a head and shoulders. And the reason I'm pointing this out is because I see it, and I very much so think that this could be possible. And the thing I want to do though is I want to explain to you, because I know a lot of people might just hate on me because I'm a bear right now against crypto, but that's not the case. I like crypto. I own Bitcoin and Ethereum, but this is something I see, and I just want to kind of dive in. So I see a head and shoulders here. And it's a really bearish pattern. As you can see, you have a shoulder, a head, and typically, what you would be seeing is this fill down if this fills. And you can kind of see now we're forming this second shoulder right here. It did the exact same thing where it came up, tested the resistance line where it got smacked down here on the left shoulder, the first one, back in September. Then it made that nice rally and is doing the same thing. It dropped right to this area, comes back up, and is making this shoulder like so, a head and shoulders. Check the weekly chart, it's even more clear actually. So if you check the weekly chart, you're gonna see the same thing here. You're gonna see a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder, and now this is like not a good sign. At least this is just my opinion though, because yeah, usually when you see this pattern, it's gonna fill out. Now it hasn't really confirmed yet. The way I would say this really ends up confirming is it breaks this support line where it's been finding support the past 3 weeks. If it breaks that support line that it's been trading in this range of, then I think we're possibly looking at a big pullback in crypto. Again, solely based on technical analysis. There could be news, there could be something. So the reason I really do see this though is if it breaks this support line, it's probably most likely going to be following this. Obviously, it has multiple support areas, including where this was, including where this bottom of the shoulder was. So, but it's just very possible that I think we could be seeing a head and shoulders play out. And then the even scarier and I do think this makes sense to be going into 2022, because a lot of people are saying, oh, crypto, it has like these 3 bad years, and then or 3 good years and then a bad year. And that's what everybody has been, everybody says. Now, do I believe that? No, I don't believe that, but that's what everybody else says. 3 good years, 1 bad year, but that's only been like a 10-year trend. You can't prove that really. But I do think, because that is like a sentiment, a fear of people, I do think it's also fair to say we might start off with a bumpy 2022. And with that also, also, on that note, with crypto, it has severely outperformed this year, its best year ever. So it would make sense for a pullback. That's logical, you know, it can't just go straight up. It makes sense, and it's very logical that there might be a pullback in 2022. Is it going to be the whole year? Maybe not, but I think early 2022, it is certainly possible, especially with this pattern playing out as the last trading day right now, when I'm making this. And as you actually check now, so you see this head and shoulders, and then you can zoom out, and this is really speculative. This is just a conspiracy theory, to be honest. But you also can see that this could be a head, this could be a shoulder, and then per se, this fills out to be a head and shoulders. Per se, you could make the claim that it's possible that we would see another choke. That's straight speculation, okay? I'm just talking about this. And I'm talking about going into 2022 and why I think it's a bit bearish. And the other reason I think it's a bit bearish is everybody seems to be, oh, it's just a small pullback. It's going to go to the moon. Everybody seems to be, it's always going to make a new high. But that might not be the case this time. Everybody on this pullback is saying, it seems like, in my opinion, the fear and greed index is correct in saying there is fear. But when I'm going around seeing a lot of people, everybody just thinks that this is, no one is fearful. So I don't see that fear and greed index that accurate right now, because I see everybody saying that it's gonna moon. There's just a pullback before it goes to 100k. That's what I hear everybody saying. So it seems like there's still a lot of greed here. When there seems to be greed, as like one of the most famous investing lines, be fearful when everybody else is greedy. So that's just something I would note down along with this pattern. And then the TTM squeeze, which is a momentum indicator, you can see is flipping for the first time. About a flip. Obviously this could change because sometimes it might start another bullish momentum, but as it's going right now, it is not looking good because it's losing its bullish momentum. As you can see, it loses it and then flips, and that's possibly what we're going to see here if we play out a head and shoulders. So this kind of just backs that up with the momentum turning bearish. And on this daily chart, you also have the TTM squeeze, which is the momentum indicator. When it's red dots, that means it's squeezing. There's a big move incoming, and that's what's going to be happening, because that's what it's showing. A big move is going to be coming one way or another. It's been in this trading range for a while, so it's kind of been in a descending triangle actually. Like, you know, you can kind of just see it. It's been making lower lows and a flat bottom. So it's just very possible that you're going to be seeing a big move to the downside, or it's also very possible we see a move up. Now, I'm not bullish on crypto until we see a move past this 52,712 level, because this is where it got rejected here. This is where it got rejected around here, and this also plays all the way back here, because there's some support here and resistance right here in early 2021. So I just think it's very possible that's what we'll see. I will only turn my thesis back bullish if we can get over this line, and also maybe regain this trend line. Now, I would like to make one bullish claim on this. There are multiple flat bottoms. Now, that's a good sign. That's been holding this support line. This 45,582 level. It's been holding this multiple times, but also you got to take note, it's been making a flat top. So it's just been in this trading range, and whatever way it breaks out, that's kind of where it's going to be going. The momentum's bearish, the pattern's bearish, but it could obviously flip. But that's about the video, just on Bitcoin. I just want to talk about that, and obviously all crypto assets most likely are going to be moving with Bitcoin. So the play I am making on this, I already did start scaling in when it was near that top. I started scaling into some Bitcoin ETF BITO puts for February and March, but because there's no inverse ETF. So that's how I am starting to scale into this. And yeah, I'm gonna actually leave the blog that I made on this in the description. Again, this is not financial advice, it's just what I see on this chart if anybody's looking for ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Make sure to comment what your thoughts are on Bitcoin. Do you guys see Bitcoin mooning next year? Do you see Bitcoin come crashing down? What are your thoughts on Bitcoin? What are your thoughts on the metaverse and any market related news, or even not? If you just have a comment on the video, make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching to the end. If you're still here, leave a like and have a great day. Thank you for watching.